So this is wheelofnames.com. I learned about this from another teacher. She'd used it in her classroom and I thought it was really fun. So when you start, it's kind of just blank like this. You can go over here and edit your title. We'll just put wheel of names, press OK, pops up over here, right? So over here is where you can click and you can add a bunch of different names. So like, let's see. So let's say I added all my kids in here. We're good to go. So all of the names pop up on the wheel, right? Okay, so you are allowed to go full screen on this. So I like to hit full screen. And then it says click to spin or press Control plus Enter. So I usually just click, it's super easy. Click right in the middle. It spins around. It's really exciting. Who's it going to land on? And it's Abby, right? Okay. So it does this little celebration. We have a winner. The name pops up. So this is really important right here. So if you close, Abby's name is going to stay on the wheel. If you remove, Abby's name will be removed from the wheel. So now Abby will not be picked again. So let's do it one more time. All right, so my name was chosen on this one. So it does a little dance. And then if you press close here, the name stays on the wheel. So press escape. You can save this wheel and you can save it. Please choose your sign-in method. Usually you sign in with Google, all that good stuff. I haven't signed in, but if I keep this up here and I were to exit out of my browser, it would still be there. So I have about 25, 27 kids on my caseload. So I type all their names in here and it's really fun. It's really engaging. It takes the anxiety out of that anticipation of, oh my gosh, who's going to get picked next? I use this during our holiday party. I had a bunch of little knick-knack prizes and each of them got their name called individually and they got to run up to the front and dig through a basket and figure out what kind of little prize they earned. So just something fun and creative, a different way other than, picking out popsicle sticks with somebody's name. You can call a kid up, they can take a spin. I like that it does remove the names. I think that makes it really easy. So this is Wheel of Names.